Well, I don't like that. Well, I don't like that. Okay. Alright, they're there. They're there. Girls. Let's do a little... Okay. So, they aren't the strongest right now. However, I did see eggs and larvae on this one. And they are only about, I'd say 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 frames. I would actually say 3. So, I'm going to lock them back up and I'm going to feed them pretty heavy. So, there we go. So, they haven't propolized the top either. But you can see this one's also going to get fed, but I don't really need to do an inspection on this one because they are booming.